just above the street, sings weirdly deep. Bird and bird, bird or two can play peek-a-boo on the avenue. On the bird and bird. Whoops. To play or not to play? Samuel! Hi, Rudy. It's a beautiful day and I'm ready to play with my bestest birdie friend. Samuel, you're the best and the cleanest. Rudy, I'm so glad you came. Samuel, I feel the same. I can't wait to play a game with you. Something quiet, something thoughtful. Samuel, that sounds really awful, but that's the sort of thing I like to do. I like counting leaves and all the different branches, but if you shape them you can make them fall in avalanches. Great. I like watching clouds floating through the sky. They're beautiful, but also dull. I much prefer to fly. Rudy, can't we sit and chat? Sammy, what's the fun in that? Let's try something wild, fresh and new. Watching clouds, counting leaves, it may be hard to believe, but that's the sort of thing I like to do. Samuel, I don't want to do any of those things. Can you do something a little more exciting? Like what? Oh, Muffin, elephant, stamp, stamp. Oh, hi little Muffin. I mean, elephant, stamp, stamp, stamp. Bye little elephant. Okay, Rudy, what do you want to do? Let's go to my branch. You're gonna love it. Ta-da! Take a look, Samuel. Excitement around every corner. I know. Let's tidy things up. Sammy, you've got a lot to learn. Well, what kind of game would you like to play? I thought you'd never ask. Take my word, Sammy, but you're in for a treat. I am. The games we're going to play today will knock you off your feet. Why? Expect the unexpected to come flying out of the blue. Because it's short, that's the sort of thing I like to do. Just what did you have in mind? Clapping, snapping, but there's no time for napping. Sammy, get those wings a flapping. Join me on the tire soon, I find it so inspiring. It's really just the sort of thing that I like to do. Rudy, can't we take it slow? This is as slow as I can go. If we could just sit down and talk, it's much more fun to flap and squawk. Up and at it, Samuel, there's so much to explore. Rudy, I could use a break, I can't take any more. Oh, I'm just getting started, Sammy, we're not nearly through. But in short, yes, that's the sort of thing I like to do. Rudy, I have to be honest with you. Alright, I think I like my games better. Can we go back to my branch? Your games? Your branch? What's wrong with my games and my branch? Aloha! Muffin, we're very busy. Okay, bye. Where were we? Rudy, your games are great. They're just a little too silly. Silly? Well, your games aren't silly enough. That's it. I'm going home. I'm going home too. You are home. Exactly. Fine.
Samuel, Rudy, what in the world is going on?
She won't play anything I want to play.
Now, you two are best friends.
We're best friends. We've tried every another thing, Mr. Beakman.
But you can't give up. There must be something you both like.
Really?
Yes, there's always a way to play. No doubt it can be troublesome deciding what to do. Certainly when your closest friend does not agree with you, well, you could throw a fit or quit and just call it a day. But I say keep on trying. There's always a way to play.
Huh?
Come with me. May I suggest a flight contest, a race around the tree?
That sounds brilliant, Mr. B. To you, but not to me.
Oh dear, beg your pardon, try the garden just around the bend. It's the perfect place for two wee birds to play pretend.
Look, Rudy, I'm a bit of wood. Good.
Though you haven't found a game, keep on trying just the same. There's always a way.
There's always a way.
There's always a way to play. Yes!
You're right, Mr. B. There must be a game around here that's boring enough for Samuel, but exciting enough for me. Rudy, sorry. I really want to play with you. Well, I really want to play with you too. Samuel, Rudy, come with Muffin. Huh?
You know, I think little Muffin may be onto something.
Hop this way. Why not? Thanks, Mr. Beakman. Toodles. Missy, Muffin bring friends. Oh la la, more birds for dress up. Dress up? Oui, I dress up all the little birdies. I like dress up. Do you, Rudy? No. I love it. Eureka! Dress up is something we both like to do. Muffin, you're brilliant. Muffin, no. Let the dress up begin. Bienvenue. I welcome you to the world of fashion design. From the catwalks of Paris to the branches of the tree, everybody comes to me to look divine. Be a rocker, oi, oi, be a bus coming through, honk, maybe be a hippopotamus. Come, I'm a pirate, I'm some peas. Muffin butterfly, I'm a piece of cheese. We couldn't agree on what to play, but everyone loves dress up day. Look at you, such a cutie. Muffin dressing up just like Goody. Hey, I'm a windmill, I'm the moon. If it's your thing, you can swing like a baboon. It's dress up day, and I think we agree that everyone's feeling fine. And we're absolutely positively, divine. Do the muffin, shake, the muffin.